Well, hello, my name is Jim Robertson. I'm the President and Chief Executive Officer of Blackheath Resources, which is listed on the TSX Venture Exchange. Our company is totally focused on tungsten in Portugal. Over the past year, we've accomplished one of our goals, which is to acquire the 5 top past-producing tungsten mines in the country. Most of these mines shut down in 1985 when the tungsten price was low. Most of them have seen no further exploration since that time, and we are looking at redeveloping those mines and bringing at least one of them back into production. We actually have 2 flagships, I think. We have the Covas project, which is our original Portuguese tungsten property. That has a historic resource, not 43101 compliance, but it has over 900,000 tons at 0.78% WO3, which is high grade compared to most of the other tungsten deposits in the world. We also have the Baralha project, which is the largest past-producing tungsten mine in Portugal. That produced, until 1985, mostly from underground ore, from vertical veins, also a certain amount of open pit ore. We found that in that only partially developed open pit, there is a very large breccia zone which contains significant tungsten, and looks as though that will indeed be a source of a large resource eventually, after we take further steps to explore and drill it. We've actually carried out a trenching program on surface, which certainly gives us great encouragement. Our next step is to put a drill program into that project, and that will happen in this current year, 2014. The insiders have been buying indeed from time to time over the last 12 months. And indeed, most recently, there was a private placement announced, and the insiders purchased and participated in that and purchased quite a few units of the company. The closing of that placement has not yet been announced, but that will be forthcoming in the next day or two. Well, I think probably the first catalyst is the fact that we will complete a private placement. We will be announcing $1.25 million additional into the Treasury, which will take us through to the next step. We do have some serious strategic investors in that private placement. We have had significant interest from the Chinese over the past several months. We look forward to that interest continuing in 2014. That is certainly one thing. We're really looking forward to drilling our Baralha project as well. Well, you know, when you look at other companies, I must admit I'm totally focused on Blackheath Resources, and Blackheath is unique in its position, in what it's doing, I think, in this area. Other companies, I hesitate to make a specific choice. I'd say look for good management, look for strong projects, look for companies that still have some funding, because raising money is not easy at this time, and make your best shot.